This is the first time we will have a state of emergency being placed on food security, and also fuel subsidy is there. So how are ways we can always, try to ameliorate the inconvenience all these new reforms are having on people. So this is why I need the mothers. I need them, they are not women, they are women of substance. So it's just to help them that they have to continue what they've been doing. They can't stop because I can't get to every household. So they can't stop. Even if it is reaching out to the next neighbor, they should help. So if we can cushion whatever inconvenience we are going through now, it will go a long way. So this is just part of me going into familiar territory, saying, I need you, your help. I thought about, wives of, in the Christian community, in the Muslim community, I've tried to reach out, and also the wives of royal fathers. So the royal fathers came to see His Excellency. They'll have something they are doing. We need, all hands have to be on deck, like they used to say, for this country to move forward. So that is what, campaign is over. What is left with is the rebuilding of our nation, and that's why I'm asking them for support.
In the past is that when you go through an electoral cycle, women do all the hard work. They do all the mobilizing, they do all the organizing, they show up, and they make sure that the votes count. But then after that is done, women are pushed to the margins. And then when the next electoral cycle comes, we start all over again. So what is happening now is a recognition that women matter, that mothers matter, because we have a lot of influence in our communities, in our households. And so it's not just about bringing former first ladies together. It's about recognizing the power that women have wherever they are in their local communities, and to understand that we can't achieve any of our development goals as a nation if we do not invest in the empowerment of women. So we are here as sisters to support our mother, the First Lady, in all her endeavors, especially the Renewed Hope initiative that she's going to be launching soon. And we are going to be supporting all the other sisters within the APC party to ensure that our voices as women count, and that the dividends of democracy that were promised to the people when we campaigned are going to be delivered to them through whatever contributions we're able to make.